Beam column joints are critical regions in framed structures where beams and columns intersect, transferring loads and moments between the vertical and horizontal members. The structural performance of these joints significantly influences the overall stability, ductility, and energy dissipation capacity of a building, especially under lateral loads such as wind or earthquakes. Consequently, accurate simulation and analysis of beam column joints are essential for understanding their behavior and ensuring structural safety. In both steel and reinforced concrete (RC) structures, the joint region experiences complex stress states due to the interaction of axial, shear, and bending forces. Failure or excessive deformation of these joints can lead to progressive collapse of the entire frame system. Therefore, their design and analysis require detailed consideration of material behavior, load transfer mechanisms, and connection detailing. In steel structures, beam column joints are typically formed using bolted or welded connections. These joints are designed to provide sufficient stiffness and strength while accommodating deformation. Key factors influencing the performance of steel joints include connection type: moment resisting, semi-rigid, or shear connection; bolt pretension and slip behavior; weld strength and residual stresses; plate thickness and geometry. Finite element analysis (FEA) tools such as Abaqus are widely used to model these connections, capturing nonlinear material behavior, contact interactions, and potential failure modes like bolt shear or plate yielding. The material models like elastic plastic, Johnson-Cook hardening and damage, ductile damage, and some other types are used. In reinforced concrete frames, joints are monolithic regions where reinforcement from beams and columns intersect. Under seismic or cyclic loading, these joints are often the most vulnerable zones due to stress concentration and bond deterioration between concrete and steel. Important aspects include anchorage and bond slip behavior of reinforcement, concrete cracking and crushing, confinement effects from transverse reinforcement, shear strength and joint core degradation. Nonlinear analysis in Abaqus can simulate these effects using material models such as the concrete damaged plasticity (CDP) model, rebar embedded constraints, and contact definitions between steel and concrete. Abaqus provides an advanced environment for modeling both steel and concrete beam column joints through material nonlinearity, capturing yielding, cracking, and damage; geometric nonlinearity, large deformation and contact effects; dynamic analysis for seismic or impact loading conditions; meshing and boundary conditions, refined mesh in joint regions to capture stress concentration. Parametric studies can be conducted to evaluate the effects of geometry, reinforcement ratio, connection detailing, and loading conditions on joint behavior. Results typically include stress distribution, load displacement response, and potential failure mechanisms. This package can be applied to a wide range of structural and seismic engineering challenges. It enables engineers to evaluate the seismic performance of reinforced concrete (RC) frames, assess the strength and stiffness of steel moment connections, and develop effective retrofit designs with improved detailing. Additionally, it supports code validation and performance-based design research, helping bridge the gap between simulation results and practical engineering standards. This package includes 23 detailed tutorials that comprehensively cover the modeling and analysis of steel and concrete beam column joints in Abaqus. It describes various types of joints, including steel-to-steel, concrete-to-concrete, and steel-to-concrete connections, as well as open-leg columns and wide beam column configurations. The tutorials address a wide range of loading conditions such as seismic and cyclic loading, axial load, and compression. In addition, different joint types and strengthening components are discussed, including bolted connections, welded steel angles, gusset plates, stiffeners, FRP, ECC, and more. The course FEM provides a powerful and flexible framework for realistically analyzing and simulating concrete structures. By capturing material nonlinearity, cracking behavior, and complex geometries, engineers can predict performance, optimize design, and ensure safety and reliability. This package is ideal for civil engineering students, structural engineers, and researchers. With lifetime access to downloadable resources, you can learn at your own pace anytime and anywhere. I hope you have a good understanding of this package, but for more questions and details on each section, please visit our website Engineering Downloads or email us at info@engineeringdownloads.com.